All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course, and we did start our feature extraction module today. Let's have a look at what we went over. I'm not sure if we're going to be doing coding in this section. It feels like we probably will eventually, but we haven't gotten there yet. So we're just going to read over some notes that we took this morning and move forward. So in this section, we'll be going over the feature extraction. In this section, we'll be treating transfer learning and fine-tuning. Transfer learning can be applied in several domains like computer vision, natural language processing, and speech. In order to better understand the usefulness of transfer learning, we have to take note that the deep learning models work best when given a lot of data. And so this means that if we have a data set of only 100 data points, then we're going to most likely have a poorly performing model. But if it's possible to train our model on 1,000,000 data points, for example, and then use that model or adapt that model in such a way that we can now train it on a smaller data set, that will give us a greater result. Let's move down a little bit here. So this is very possible with transfer learning, and that's what we're going to be treating in this section. Now, how is it possible to train a model made of 1,000,000 data points and then use that model on a smaller data set, which is obviously different from our 1,000,000 points data set? The answer to this question lies in the CovNets. With the CovNets, we generally have two main sections. The first section is the feature extractor, and then we're going to move towards the end of the CovNet. We have the classifier. So the very first thing the CovNet will want to do is extract low-level features. Let's move down a little bit more. And then as we get towards the end of the CovNet, we focus on extracting more high-level features. The classifier permits us to pick between a set of options, which of the model thinks the image actually is. So basically, if we have a model, we're going to start out with the feature extractor. It's going to extract all the features of the input or the image we're going to put into the model. And then towards the end of it, we're going to extract more high-level features or start classifying the image into different categories that we may think it is or the model may think it is. But basically, that's what we went over this morning. We didn't do too much. We just now diving into the module. So yeah, as we move forward, we may be starting to build code based around this principle. I'm not sure yet, but whatever the case may be, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.